Hi, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you one of the best wallpaper applications in the POCO X2 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the wallpaper which will imitate the dual front cameras, as you can see, friends. So which will be very good looking if you're using this kind of wallpapers, which will cover the front cam. So actually these are the applications which are designed for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so which has the same dual camera front camera setup on the right side of the phone, which is another plus point for the POCO X2 device. That is the one advantage. So where you can get this kind of wallpapers directly from the Play Store and you can try it out. So which will look very good looking, guys, as you can see, which is a very good and attractive. So this will attract that out your friends and colleagues as well. So let me show you the applications what I got very good out of lot in the Play Store. So just if you want to try all the wallpapers, you can just type Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers. So you'll get plenty of wallpaper applications which are designed for Samsung Galaxy X10 Plus, but actually they also support for the POCO X2 as well. So as you can see, friends, this is the one application which I'm using right now, so which are very good. So which will definitely cover the front cam. As you can see, friends, there are plenty of wallpapers which are available, which are more creative and good looking. So definitely, friends, if you are planning to buy the POCO X2 device, definitely you need to install these wallpaper applications which will give very good looking. So even you can try other Samsung Galaxy S10e wallpapers also, which will be having single front camera setup, but still it works fine. So let me try to set up this wallpaper and show you how it looks. As you can see, friends, still it looks pretty good. As you can see, the light coming from the cameras, which is very good. And definitely, friends, try these applications. If you want to just try in your phone, you can try it out right now. And same kind of applications already available in the notch phones as well, as also, friends. As you can see, if there is any front camera in between, same kind of applications also present which will be imitating the notch area. So do check the links in description, friends, if you're seriously interested in knowing those wallpapers. So these are the few wallpaper applications which I found very good in the Play Store. Sort of everything application I found this iQOO, as you can see, friends, iQOO. So which is very good application, so which has plenty of wallpapers. As you can see, you can download the application as well, and you can try in the POCO X2 after you buying the device. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. This just small video demonstrate the perfect wallpaper which is suitable for the POCO X2 device. So see you in the next video, friends. Bye.